Hi everyone, so I thought I'd show you what a pull request looks like and the idea of forking and pull requests, so on and so on, so forth. So I have here Or's repository or homework that she did. You can see that she has authored something 42 minutes ago, and there's a couple of things in here, and she's done 3 commits, right? So if I want to fork this repository, what I can do is I can click the fork button, and when I do this, it will do some magic voodoo and then show up on my account as the same exact repository name. So I'll have, instead of having or/web3jamie, I'll have jkasoy/web3jamie. Does that make sense? Give it a shot yourself. Try forking something and you'll see what happens. Once I do that, now I have this version here, right? So what I can do is I can clone my version just as if I created an empty repository by going to the command line, and I'll just create a quick directory. And now I can say clone and clone this directory and clone this repository here. And this is my repository. It was originally created by Or, but now it's my copy of it. So once I do that, and I will show you where I'm at in Finder. And you can use the clone and desktop button if you're used to the GitHub like OS X like Mac client or whatever. You can see in here that I have all of these files, and they're basically the exact same source code that that Or had. Now, if I want to change something, let's say I just want to like clean up this code a little bit, maybe like I don't like the spacings here or whatever. I can go ahead and do that. I save, I hit Apple S to save, and now if I go back to my command line, I say get add dot get commit dash m fixed some weird spacing issues. This is my commit message, and now I can push it back up to GitHub. So I created a milestone, and now it goes up to GitHub. And now I can see this on my repository. You can see authored just now, and fix some weird spacing issues, and sure enough it would have, I could hit compare and I could see what's going on. Now none of this changed the original repository. This is still Or's repository authored 45 minutes ago, and she has no idea that I did this. So thousands upon thousands of people could be doing it at the same time, and it wouldn't change the original repository. Now if I want to if I want Or to see those changes so that she can have a fix, I can push the pull request button, which I've just gone ahead and done, and then I should be able to hit click to create a pull request for this comparison, and I create an issue, and I just say fixed some spacing issues, or here are some changes I made to clean up your code a little bit. And she can see that she has the ability to merge, and I'll hit send pull request. This will create an issue. She will get an email now. If I go back over to here, which is her repository, now you can see there's one issue and one pull request. And she will have the option, once she figures out how to do it, to go and merge that pull request in. And once she does that, then she will get my changes in her code.